time come to fix the education system of Jamaica. Starting with early childhood and the primary levels, we will transform the first 11 years of every Jamaican child's life. We will make the investments required to raise the standard of our early childhood and primary school system and make them world class. The positive effect on our society of achieving our goal of having all our children entering secondary school, able to read, write, and do basic arithmetic and think critically, cannot be surpassed. It is the key to national progress. And we know that education is the antidote to intergenerational poverty. Tertiary education must be made accessible to those who need it, so they can positively transform the prospects for themselves and their families. Time come, we will eliminate the requirement of a guarantor for a student to access a student loan. We will cap the student loan borrower's loan payments to a manageable percentage of his or her income, so that the state and not the student bears the risk of the economy generating adequate employment opportunities. No student should be afraid of borrowing money to invest in their education because they fear they may not get a well-paying job. The state must bear that risk. And in periods of unemployment, we will suspend the students' loan payments and push them to the back end of the loan without any penalties or extra interest paid. We will support our students because we believe in social mobilization and social mobility through education.